Good evening, friends. Hope you are all okay. Yesterday's walk from my home to Bandstand via Baroda Road and via Kane Road. It's a huge climb, and then to Mount Mary. I completed 5 kilometers. I couldn't walk further, so what I did was I took a rickshaw and came back home. I'd walked for almost 2 hours. Now, today, I am walking from my house to Chimbai. And from Chimbai, I hope to go as far as Carter Road and maybe take a rickshaw and come home. Hi Darshan, how are you, brother? Missing you and the tennis court here. Hope your wife is fine and your family is fine. Take care. Wish you all the best, Darshan. We miss you a lot. Darshan has joined me. He is my tennis coach under Surendra Pawar Saab. Surendra Pawar Saab, my main tennis coach is in Virar. So this is it. This is my second live video on Instagram. Chimbai is a fishing village. There's a lot of Jesus around here. Once, many years back, I was getting a house over here, but then my wife didn't want to stay at Chimbai because the papers were not okay. Now here, there's a lot of Jesus around here, and we all need Salman Khan Saab has got a property over here. सोहम, हाउ आर यू? साला मेरे को अभी तक तूने बटाटा वड़ा नहीं खिलाया. I must tell you all guys, I'm not fasting. I stopped fasting because of my heart. I have to have my heart medicines. I can't do without it, and I'm insulin dependent. So that is it. And today is Hanuman Jayanti. Jai Bajrangbali. This is the Hanuman temple at Chimbai. Huh? नहीं, thank you. काय दादा मला ओळखला की नाही? फिर मी दांडामध्ये राहतो. पहले रहता था. अभी आशीष शेदर की बिल्डिंग में हूँ. हाँ? तिलेकर के घर पे. हाँ, तिलेकर का था दानपड़ा. फिर वो हाँ, आप कैसा है? क्या? हाँ हाँ, हाथी के साथ. These are beautiful people of Chimbai, and this is the Hanuman Mandir. You see it, and that is my friend over there. Okay. हम आपका जो कोली लोग है ना, कोली लोग, हर कोली होली का मैं शूट करता था. वर्सोवा गांव, फिर मंजुला है आपकी इधर की वर्ली में. हाँ खियानकर, खानकर क्या बोलते हैं उसका नाम?
खाली खान
हाँ खानकर। तो वो बुलाई थी मेरे को वर्ली में, गांव में गया था उसके घर पे।
लॉकडाउन
नहीं नहीं अभी नहीं, अभी ये साल नहीं किया, मैं पिछले साल में किया। फिर आपका,
होली के बाद ही चालू हो गया ना।
आपको मालूम है? आपको नहीं मालूम है? हमने जितना होली के दिन हम अलीबाग जाते थे, होली के दिन वो बैलगाड़ी की रेस। फिर वो माहिम का जो है ना उधर भी शूट किया। अभी ये साल तो कुछ नहीं किया। चलो साहब, तो these are the कोहली। Chimbai has a lot of कोहलीज over here. Hi Darekwar, Dattarai, how are you? Om Namo Narayan, Har Har Mahadev, Jai Bajrang Bali. Hope to see you soon. The people you helped last year, they all remember you and they pray for you. I must tell you that I never mentioned it to you. But whatever you contributed to their welfare has really given them happiness for that moment. Darekwar, thanks a lot. You and I cosmically met at Ujjain Kumbh with Mahamandleshwar, Honorable Holiness Gyaneshwar Ji. I miss you all. And I have still not fully recovered. But the only thing is I've taken both the shots of COVID shield, AstraZeneca I think. My wife has taken one shot, the second shot is. So this is Chimbai. It's a fishing village here. Thank you Sarvesh, Giorgio. And Darekwar is one of my most beautiful friends. And this, if you see at the back, was my friend. See at the back, was my friend Zaxxer. He used to work with me in Burlington. Zaxxer had his showroom here. Now it belongs to, I think, Aha Kazai. Zaxxer was a very good designer. Used to do Praveen Babi and a lot of actors and actresses. We lost touch. And there's today I did not want to go to bandstand because I already showed you through my videos. Thank you Mustafa. My eyesight is very bad. I wear glasses but I still can't see because of all these operations, the gallbladder operation, the bypass surgery. This is a place I've always been shooting. It's called Tania Dutt Bungalow. And one of the guys here was a friend of Jackie Shroff. Jackie and I go a long way back because he used to come to Oberoi. I used to work at Sheraton Treasures. And Jackie was a model those days. And I must tell you also another thing which you all may not believe. I did Jackie's costumes and Hero directed by Subhash Ghai. So this is Chimbai corner. Now I'm moving towards Joggers Park. Thank you Bella. God bless you all. Thank you. Akbar Javed, Sheikh Ali. क्या बोलते हैं? I'm walking through Chimbai. The chemist shops are open over here. करमाली साहब, कभी आपको भूला नहीं मैं, भूल ही नहीं सकता हूँ मैं। बस ठीक है, हार्ट का ऑपरेशन हुआ है।
क्या बात?
This is Mr. Safdar Karmali. He's a legend of Bandra, Karmali lights and everything, and he's one of our main icons, Shia icons. He's kept our community at peace, and he has done a lot of good work. He handles Kaisar Bagh. Sadly, I don't do Muharram anymore. I stopped it about 6-7 years in Mumbai. I go outside. Awesome, ठीक है. So this was Mr. Karmali. I'm not very good at this live video. I don't use the messaging app on Instagram. I delete all the messages because due to my recent bypass, I don't have the time. I get tired very fast. So please forgive me, Sheikh Ali. Maybe once I'm okay, I'm fine, I will talk to you. My diabetes sugar has gone up completely last few days because I stopped walking. I used to play tennis in the mornings, I stopped that too. So what happened, my sugar, my fasting went up to 250. And I'm taking R insulin twice a day. And I'm very happy that last 2 years I've been treated by Dr. Manoj Chadda of Hinduja Hospital, Mahim. He has really helped me a lot. My sugar used to be about 400 and he has taken good care of me. I started with 70-30, then he brought me to 50-50 and now I'm on R. I've been using it for almost 1 month now. He's told me to observe it. So let's see what happens. And for my heart, I'm being treated by Dr. Nitin Gokhale, a very eminent cardiologist. And again, I would once again mention, because as many times I mentioned, it's not enough, that it was Mr. Zahid Khan of Sobiman who helped me December 3rd, and through him I got my bypass done at Lifeline, Meera Bhayandar. I don't think I would have been okay if I was in a real bad shape, and that bypass was very important. 3.5 months I stayed at home in bed, and then finally after 3.5 months I started playing tennis. Now this is the place where Sapna Bhavnani had a studio. This is the place where Sapna Bhavnani, it was one of her lucky studios actually. And this is the place where Sharman Joshi lives. It's called Dhaval Ganga. Sharman Joshi, I'm very close to his father-in-law, Mr. Prem Chopra. Mr. Prem Chopra, I was a young kid staying at Kulaba Woodhouse Road, and Mr. Prem Chopra and Jitendra Saab, both strugglers at that time, were staying at Usha Sadan Kulaba Post Office. And when I remind Mr. Prem Chopra about those days, he smiles at me. I've been working with Mr. Prem Chopra for last maybe 30-35 years. Amazing personality, amazing human being. Thanks, Darekhor, all the best here. So, this is it. Those are the mangroves at Shimbai. And on my right is the Laughter Club. I like to shoot pictures. I've not been using my camera. Both my cameras are lying in the cupboard. I use my mobile phone. This is a Vivo 20. And I bought it from Cell City. from Mr. Bhavesh and Mitesh. They are my old friends. Now I'm come towards Joggers Park. There were a lot of walkers and joggers at Mount Mary. Even here there are a few joggers. Hi Noor Bhai, how are you? Thanks a lot. I gave your stuff to somebody, 2 families actually. It wasn't much, but it's really thankful. They're thankful to you. I really missed you all these years, and I'm no more on Facebook. I tried. I didn't have your number. I would have contacted you, and I'm sorry about your accident. I hope you are well. Things are really bad, but they're not as bad. At least in my area at Bandra, it is not as bad as it is in Delhi or UP or wherever. And I'm not a political guy. I stay in the building where Mr. MLA Ashish Shelar lives, and he has taken good care of us. He's just come out of COVID. He was at Leelavati, and he's been very good to us. Hi Amir Khan, thank you. So this is it. I'm very new to this live thing, but as I told you all guys earlier, I have about more than 6 lakh images on Flickr from 2007 onwards. So what I'm doing is, because I posted, like street photography, I posted 60,000 in one album, 60,000 another album, 80,000 another. So it's impossible for me to download them because the limit is 500. So what I did this entire lockdown period, I've been downloading certain albums, the Sufism, the Aghoris, and I have a lot of Shiaism stuff even, but I'm not posting them for the reason that a lot of people object to the blood and the graphic nature of the Shia rituals. But this time, what I've done, I've downloaded downloaded the documentary of Ramzan, which I shot from 2007 to 2020. I've completed that, and all those you can see on my YouTube channel of Peace and Hope and Harmony. And now I'm downloading, or rather uploading, 21st Ramzan. This is strictly a very Shia thing. It is the day that the Muslims mourn for the martyrdom of Imam Ali. I have shot it till about 2012. It's been almost 8 or 9 years. I have not gone back to shoot it. That is especially due to personal reasons. I stopped shooting Muharram completely in Mumbai. Not for any other reason, but I prefer going to Hyderabad, Madras, Chennai, and Lucknow, my birthplace. But for last 3 years, I've not been able to do Muharram because of my diabetes, and business has been really, really bad. This time, I'm totally wiped out. I did a huge film, 3 years back. I did the costumes of an actor who I've been working with last 40 years. The director knows me from his earlier films, but it's been 3 years now. My payment part, he paid me some advance, but the balance, which is quite a big amount, he's not given it to me. I sent him my angiography reports, my gallbladder reports. My son had COVID. I sent him my son's thing, but he didn't help me at all. I still pray for him. I hope that God grants him everything. And he clears not just my, but other people's payments too. And things are bad nowadays. I've had no work. The last 2 work I got was through Mr. Shakti Kapoor. I'm grateful to him. I did costumes for Ashok Tyagi's film One Dress. And I did costumes for Mr. Pailaj Nailani's upcoming film with Mithul Chakravarti. Again Shakti Kapoor. And Shakti Kapoor Sahab and I, we go maybe 40 years. He's always taken good care of me. He treats me like family. Now I have reached Carter Road, Otters Club. And here, I feel very sad and nostalgic because Mr. Rajesh Khanna, I was his stylist for a long time, till his death. And he's gone. My granddaughters grew up at his house. He is a fantastic human being. If he was alive today, I would not have not been going through all these problems. He had great hopes for me and he used to always tell me to do something for me. But then that's it. I'm very close to his wife, Dimple Ji. She has also been a great support. And now I'm really tired. I have reached Carter Road. I think I will go up till Danda end and then take a rickshaw and go back home because I don't think I can walk back. So thanks all of you, Murtuza Hussain, and all of those for listening to my rant. Wish you all the best. Wear a mask and be safe. Keep your family safe. Salam, Murtuza Bhai, salam. Thank you very much. I used to do a lot of work for Mr. Yusuf Lakdawala also. But then we lost touch. Last 3 years, I have not seen him. So now I'm on Carter Road. Both my granddaughters, Marzia and Narjis, are fasting. Marzia is 13 years old. She started fasting when she was 7 years old. And Narjis is also fasting. My wife, my daughter-in-law, all of them are fasting. My son Saif is at Mira Road, so I have no news of him. He hardly talks to his father. My daughter is in Goa because she escaped Delhi. Now she has to go back to get her dog. It's a pug, Guido. And then she says she'll go to the mountains. So I don't know. I miss my daughter. She's my only daughter I have. And she's almost like me, very defiant. We call a spade a spade. And I tell you, in India, I'm really shocked that everything is based on religion, your caste, your community. I don't believe in it at all. I don't go to mosque. I keep away. I don't even mingle with my own community. I'm happy. I have been very close to the Buddhists. I've been very close to the Jews. In my young days, I lived at Woodhouse Road. So that all my friends were Jews mostly. Sofas, Reuben, Meyer, and most of them went away to Canada and all. The Sassoon family, or Sassoon Doc, used to live at Colaba Woodhouse Road. Colaba Woodhouse Road has beautiful memories. It's all gone. Then I had a Buddhist family, Vimal. He died. I was influenced a lot by Buddhism. And then I was being close to this Christianity. Right from the age of 5, it was the Methodist Church. Then Jehovah's Witness. Then for almost 7 to 8 years, it was the Roman Catholic Church. And I've been very close to Jesus. I've been very close to the Catholic community in Bandra. I'm the only Muslim documenting the East Indian ethos, the crosses and everything. All my gurus, most of them have been Hindus. I have a Aghori Guru. My Naga Guru passed away in 2017, but he taught me a lot. Through him, I saw so many Kumbh Melas and everything. And then I've been shooting Kamakya from 2016. And here also I must tell you that the goddess has been calling me. She gave me friends like Niku and Hemant, who live in Kamakya, Abhijit, who take good care of me, and Mrs. Poonam Sinha, wife of Mr. Shatrughan Sinha, buys my ticket to and fro from Kamakya, Assam. And so I have no issue with Hindus at all. I respect them for their spirituality and they respect me for my individuality. So this is it. I'm now come. I shall end up here. Sorry for really tired. Wish you all the best.